Hi, I'm Julia. I'm a client experience manager at Markham Infiniti. Today I'm going to tell you about the app that every customer gets with every Infiniti vehicle, and you get 1 year for free for every new Infiniti vehicle. With every purchased in new Infiniti vehicle, you have a chance to get registered with Infiniti InTouch app. Ask your sales representative to register you. You can easily download Infiniti InTouch Services app to either Android or Apple devices. Once you go to the app, you will see the sign in option or register. Usually, the sales representative should be able to register with their computer, but if they can't do it, then you can just register yourself. It will ask you all simple information like your name, address, and so on. Once you do that, you set up your password, and we're good to go. Then you're going to use sign in options. I'm going to use demo mode because I don't have one. This is how the home page is going to look like on your device. I have a vehicle here because it's a demo version, but you are going to have a blank vehicle here, and then you will have add the VIN number section here. So when you click there, you'll be able to add your VIN number of the car, and then it will appear here. With this app, you can do many things. One of the most important one is the engine start. So when you press on the engine, it will ask you if you want to start your engine. You just say yes, and then it will connect to your car and it will start the engine. As just like your key will start for 10 minutes, an additional 10 minutes, and then you have to go to the car itself. If you click one more time, if ask if you want to stop the vehicle, so you can also stop. Same thing with unlock, lock, you have the lights and you have the horn as well. With this app now, you can see the alerts that your car has, you can see notifications, you can call roadside assistant, and you can see your IFS account. This is something new they added this year, so you can see what's your buyout and information about your vehicle financially. You have a small button here which calls the location, and then it will tell you where your car exactly is. You can even walk to it. It will ask you if you want to use the direction. And then lastly, in your vehicle section, you can see what your vehicle status right now in terms of oil change and tire pressure. You can schedule the service appointment as well. It's very easy to use. And the last section, more, you can see your profile. You can call Infiniti customer care. Will they be able to help you with any questions you have? So, and again, with every new purchase, you get to use the app for free for 1 year. It's not expensive to pay afterwards, especially with the features that you want to use. And for anybody who is buying a pre-owned vehicle, make sure that you register yourself. You will need to call Infiniti customer service and make sure that they register you from the previous person who used the car. Thank you for your time.